Hello friends, it's me again, Jane from the channel Bujojane, and today I'm showing you my March plan with me. A little delayed, but oh well, life happens and you have to work with it. Am I right or am I right? So today I'm showing you a very easy plan with me, and you can do it if you cannot draw a single little doodle. It's no problem because we are working with stickers today. I went through my stationery drawer and I found some oldie but goodie stickers from the brand Journalspiration that I bought a few years ago. I don't know how long they've been in this drawer, but now is the time to finally use them again. And with the stickers there was a little paper card that said sticker pack under the D and so on and so on, and I just used this card that I also didn't throw away back in the day, and I used those little jellyfish that were on the card for my March title page, and I thought it would look so nice. So that's what I did. And then I lettered the word March, fitting to the month, of course. And then I put some bubbles next to it. Continuing with the month at a glance, I put this little stone wreath, I don't know how it's called in English, this stone circle thingy around my lettering, and then I put this little calendar below that. It's already 10:30 in the evening, so please excuse me if I don't sound so fit and awake. It's close to my bedtime, but I wanted to finish this video before I go to bed so I can put it up right in the morning for you guys. I didn't want the delay to be even worse. Continuing with the next page, it's my overview page where I put my goals, events and notes. For my goals, I definitely have to continue working on my flexibility to achieve a split, I think it's called. It's a Spagat in German, and I'm really working hard on that, and it's getting better every day. And talking about better, on the next page we have the quote of the month, which is "Life is better at the beach," because in a few weeks my hubby and I are going on a early summer vacation, and I just cannot wait to put my toes in the sand and have some sun on my skin again, and just that holiday feeling, you know what I mean. Yes, so I lettered this little saying and then I colored it in with this beautiful blue color. I love this color. And then I added some shadow or more over dimension on the lettering with another purple colored Tumble dual brush pen, and then the next step you will see that I'll put a little light gray shadow behind the lettering as well. To finish it off, I put some more stickers next to the lettering, which are some more seashells, as you will see in a few seconds. Then adding a few bubbles here and there and dots so it looks more natural. Continuing on the next page, I'm putting the packing list for the vacation. I always have to have a packing list because I have to pack my stuff and then I have to pack or help to pack the stuff from my hubby as well, so I can't forget anything. And then it's the planning for the first week of March. It's week number 10 already. I can't believe that we are almost quarter past 2020. Time has been running so fast. I don't know where it all went. So for this spread I'm using some stickers I bought when I was in Korea last year. And these are from the store called Daiso, and I have lots of these round stickers in many colors, and I thought these colors would fit perfectly with the rest of the theme. And then I'm putting the daily headers on top of them. Yes, and that's my simple but fairly pretty, I think, first week of March. So I hope you like this really simple monthly overview with some help of stickers. It just shows that you don't have to be the biggest artist to have beautiful spreads in your bullet journal. You can start small, you can start with stickers, you can start with just simple black and white minimalist bullet journals. It doesn't matter, just as long as it helps you to stay organized. I hope you have a good one and see you soon. Bye bye!